What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have a product from Taotronics. They were nice enough to send one of their budget wireless earbuds, Soundliberty 97. You can pick up these earbuds for $49, but keep in mind price does fluctuate. I've been testing these earbuds for 3 days now, and for the price tag $49, these earbuds perform really well compared to my Apple AirPods. Bass sound really punchy, also mid and treble on point. Soundliberty 97 comes with Qualcomm apXT chip, so you will get Bluetooth 5.0 for better and faster wireless connectivity. CVC 8.0 technology for reducing background noise so you can enjoy clear phone calls. Now keep in mind, Soundliberty 97 doesn't come with active noise cancelling option, but this earbud does have IPX8 waterproof certification, so you can use these earbuds in gym for workout. Sweat and water shouldn't damage the earbuds easily. After opening the box, you will find warranty card, user guides, extra 3 pairs of ear tips, USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for charging the case, also earbuds and charging case. Front of the case, you will find Taotronics name and LED indicator. On the right side, you will find USB Type-C port for charging, and also there is a reset button back of the case. And the earbuds built out of good quality plastic, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. I really like the flat black color, looks really nice and grippy. Case is also not all that big, so you can easily put this case in your pocket. Fully charged earbuds will give you around 9 hours playtime, and combo with case you will get around 29 hours playtime. On the earbuds you will find Taotronics logo, pre-installed medium-sized ear tips, LED indicator, microphone and charging connection. Fitment is pretty good. These earbuds doesn't fall out of ear easily, but make sure you use the right size ear tips for your ears. My ears are not all that big, so I use medium-sized ear tips. You can also easily pair these earbuds to your Apple iPhone or Android phones. Just turn on your phone's Bluetooth and tap on Taotronics Soundliberty 97 and connect. That's it. Now let's not forget about the touch controls. For volume control, tap on the right earbud once for volume up and tap on the left earbud once for volume down. Play and pause. Double tap on either of the earbuds for play or pause. Next and previous track. Tap on the right earbud 3 times for the next track and tap on the left earbud 3 times for the previous track. Answer phone call. Tap on either earbud once. Decline phone call. Tap and hold on the either earbuds for 2 seconds. Active voice assistant. Tap and hold on either earbuds until you hear the beep. Now here's my thoughts. If you don't need active noise cancelling and your budget is around $50, then I personally think you can't go wrong with Soundliberty 97 wireless earbuds. Sound quality is good, loud, and bass hits harder than my Apple AirPods. Microphone is okay, but not as good as my Apple AirPods. Alright guys, so right now I'm recording my voice with Taotronics Soundliberty 97 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds microphone. So as you guys can hear my voice with this microphone, and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, that's all I got for you today. If you guys have any question, leave your questions in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching. See you guys next one. Peace.